Alright, Gracie, did you press start?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey everybody, my name is Jeffrey Jansen. Over the last couple years, you have all heard from me and about a plan that I call Legal Shield. What I want to invite you today is to come look at my Facebook page, go onto YouTube and look at all the different videos of all the different people that have been helped by Legal Shield. At some point in time, each one of you has asked for information from our work from home business plan. Legal Shield is a company that you can work from home. Now, I can be excited, I can be motivated, and I usually am. Today I'm here to invite you to come to my Facebook page, to go to one of my web pages, or to go to YouTube, look up Legal Shield, and look for yourself about how this company has creating a ripple in the world of legal and identity theft. We do not deal with products, we deal with lawyers. We deal with people just straight on, and we save people's lives every day. You asked me at some point in time how you could make money from a work from home business, and our company has that plan just for you. We are the only company like us in the world. We've been around since 1972, and I'm here to tell you and give you advice on how you can make money in this business also. Please give me a call at 217-316-0219. You can also look my page up on Facebook. Go ahead and add me as a friend on Facebook. You can go on and you can look up Jeffrey W. Jansen from Quincy, Illinois. Or you can go and use my phone number, 217-316-0219. If you want to look up my hub site, it's www.legalshield.com/hub, HUB, /Jeffrey, JEFFREY, WJANSEN. Go to my website, take a look at it, investigate for yourself. Give me a call. I work with every single person on an individual basis. We have over 4.5 million members of Legal Shield that we have helped for the last 45 years. We're the only company in the world that's paid out over $1 billion to all of our associates in the last decade. So now I'm offering you the chance of a lifetime. You can get a hold of me at 217-316-0219. The next video that I will be showing you guys is our compensation plan and what we do and how we can offer it to you. Thank you.